Hey gorgeous, let me show you how to do the easiest nail art you'll ever do. We're going to start out with a generous amount of blooming gel, but not too much, and make sure you wipe off the sides to get off that excess polish. And before you cure, you're going to take a stripey brush and your 3 colors of choice, and you're going to do some lines. I like to start with the darker color first and do about 2 lines. That's it. And then I wipe off that color, and then I go in with my medium color, in this case the medium purple, and I add that where I see fit, and then I'm going to repeat that with the lighter color and just fill that in where I see necessary. Make sure you're not adding too much when you're doing these lines, and you're really smoothing it out and distributing your polish evenly. That way everything cures bubble free. We don't have to worry about messing this easy design up. So after you're done with that, before you pop it in the lamp, you're going to take a fat dotting tool and you're just going to swirl and mix these colors around. I find you get the best result when you kind of go in the direction that you put the stripes in, because when you go against, it kind of gets a little muddy. And we do want to look like this was done intentionally, you know? And if you feel like it needs a little more color, like in this case I added a little more of the lightest purple, you just take your daughter and dip it in there and swirl it back in the same direction. As you can see here, I added even more. That way I get a good balance of all 3 colors. Once you're satisfied, you're going to wipe away what bled on the edge before you pop it into the lamp and cure. And get any pesky little lint that seems to always have it out for me. I decided that this set needed a little glitter, so with a clean liner brush, I'm going to go right in with the bottle of glitter, and I'm going to put the glitter polish mainly on top of the darker color so it gives it some more contrast, because this isn't a solid glitter, it's a very sheer glitter. And I'm just going to add that going in the same direction that the marble is. I don't want to go against the grain because it's just going to stand out not in a good way, and we want it to stand out in a good way, you know? When you're adding glitter like this, you want to make sure you blend it out and don't leave it thick, because then that's going to cause your nail to look bumpy or like have ridges. You're going to see that texture, so make sure you smooth it out and it's blended real nice. So now that that's cured, I'm going to go in with a regular gel top coat. Before I go in with my matte top coat, I always like to do this before my matte top coat to make sure it's a nice smooth canvas, you know? And I don't know about you, I don't use the regular gel top coats. I prefer non-wipe top coats. And most collections you'll get will send you a regular wipe top coat, like a regular gel top coat, and so this allows those not to go to waste. So after that's cured, you're going to go in with your matte top coat or your non-wipe top coat. It's your choice, but I felt like a matte look was perfect for this set. If you're making this for a customer, I would recommend you add your builder gel before your final top coat, and so in that case you wouldn't have to go in with the regular top coat to smooth it out, because that builder gel is going to encapsulate and smooth anything out before you add your matte top coat. And so you're going to cure this final layer again, and now we have a perfect marble look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!